Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will do a solid granny square using two colors. For this project I'm using 55% cotton and 45% acrylic yarn. And this is the result which we will have at the end of this project, so please follow up this tutorial if you want to know how to make it. I will be using salmon pink and dark green yarn, the same as this one which I already made, and I will be using 3.5mm yarn hook. I will start with lighter one, the salmon color, and first thing we need to do is a magic ring, or the simpler way is chaining 4 and slip stitch to make a loop. Repeat after me to make a slip knot. Now tie this, insert your hook inside, and let's make 4 first chains. Now make a slip stitch to the first chain to form a circle. Great, so the base is done. Now we will start the round 1. So chain 5, it will count as a double crochet and chain 2 space. With the first color we will do 3 double crochet and 1 chain. Then we will join the second color. Make the double crochets into the center of your circle.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Now we will be joining the color number 2. I have it as dark green. This joint also counts as a chain 1. Now we will need to continue with 3 double crochet, then chain 2, then again 3 double crochet and chain 1. Make sure to have the second yarn underneath each stitch, so once we will change color again, it will be very easy. So making each double crochet, I'm making sure that the second color, which we are currently not using, is located somewhere inside of the stitch. So now we will be changing our color. What I prefer to do is placing the yarn, which will be the next color, in front of the hook, and the second yarn placing a little bit backwards, so it won't be that much visible. And now we are continuing with doing 2 double crochets, and then we will slip stitch into the third chain of beginning. preference is to slip stitch on the top of our first row, and as well don't forget to bring the second color also underneath with you when you will be slip stitching. And now we will need to do as well one extra slip stitch into the next chain 2 space. So we will start with the next row corner. For the next round we will need to make chain 3. It will count as a double crochet, then double crochet, then 2 chain and 2 extra double crochet in the same chain 2 space. So we will form the corner this way. Now our corner is ready and we will do the double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Okay, now we will have the corner when we will change the color again. So 2 double crochets and 1 chain into this corner, then change the color. It will count as chain 1 and make 2 double crochets in the same corner space with the new color. As you may notice, we are doing 3 double crochets in between of the corners, so we are continue with that. I'm pulling the yarn which we are not using to align it a little bit better under the main color. Now slip stitch into the initial chain 3 space and then slip stitch to the next chain 2 space. As well, start in the round 3 with the chain 3, then double crochet, chain and 2 double crochets in the same chain 2 space. after the corner we will have 7 double crochet stitches in each of the chains underneath. Great, we are almost done with this row. So now we are slip stitching into the initial chain 3 space and then one extra slip stitch to the chain 2 space. Now you know how to do at the corner, so repeat this process, and in this round 4 we will have 11 double crochets on between the corners. Now last one slip stitch and we are done with this work. The only thing which left is weaving ends, but generally we're done. Congratulations guys! Now you also have this very nice granny square. If you will do a lot of such granny squares, you may easily can make your own image for purse, cardigan. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe, leave a comment. Enjoy other videos I have for you. Have a great day. Bye!